Že otroke učimo, da je pes človekov najboljši prijatelj. Slišimo in preberemo lahko nešteto zgodb o tem, kako ta zvesta žival pomaga ljudem s svojo neverjetno sposobnostjo voha.
English Springer Spaniel Paddy is a fully trained explosives detection dog. He has the astounding ability to sniff out 1/1000th of a gram of an explosive substance and regularly provides crucial security to thousands of members of the public. In the last 5 years of service, he has given event organisers peace of mind during royal and VIP visits and large-scale sporting events. After all this time, his handler, Colin Singer, is still in awe of his talent.
Paddy's a very experienced dog, and he will actually work very well on his own. I sometimes think whether he needs me or not, to be honest, he can do it on his own.
Today, Paddy and Colin are taking part in a 2-day exercise at 2 specially selected venues. So-called continuation training is essential for any working explosives detection dog. The first venue is St David's Cathedral in Pembrokeshire, West Wales. As well as hosting numerous public military events, this historic site is regularly visited by members of the British royal family. Before such a high-profile occasion, explosive detection dogs like Paddy will be called in to clear the building. Today's training is designed to simulate these security procedures. The cathedral, like any other venue, has its own individual scent pattern. The challenge for any detection dog is to identify a specific odour against such a backdrop of neutral smells. Paddy's success will rely heavily on the chemicals used in training. The more chemicals he's trained on, the more reliable he will be. Labrador Daisy is one of a team of 6 dogs being trained as biodetectives by Claire. The dogs sniff a cancer carousel. Each pot contains a urine sample derived from healthy people, those with cancer, and those with other illnesses. As the dog smells each pot, it draws in molecules into its wet nose. This moisture helps dissolve the molecules and allows the receptor cells located in the dog's nasal cavity to pick up specific odours. Dogs have tear ducts just like humans that run all the way down to its nose. This helps keep their nose moist and their fantastic sense of smell working to the maximum.
Dogs have an extremely sensitive sense of smell compared to the human species. If you read the textbooks, they'll tell you that it's between 1,000 and 10,000 times. And you also read for certain molecules, for certain chemicals, it can be up to 100 million times more sensitive than the human nose.
And it is this complex and powerful odour detection that's helping turn dogs into lifesavers. The World Health Organization says that deaths from cancer worldwide are projected to continue rising, from approximately 10 million annual deaths at present to an estimated 12 million deaths in 2030. Early detection is a key factor to survival, and this is what the charity is trying to improve. For medical specialists, disease detection by dogs offers enormous potential for the future.
The holy grail in cancer diagnostics is to have a very cheap, simple test for everybody that tells you whether this patient sitting in front of me has cancer. Imagine just a simple blood test where you take a sample of blood or even a sample of urine and you put it in a box and it's a yes and no answer. And that's what we'd like to see. And maybe by using the dogs in this way, we'll get to that.
If we can discover with scientists what it is that a dog uses to make its indication of cancer, then this could be used in the future by using an electronic system, an electronic nose. And potentially 10, 15 years' time, we could all go into our doctor's surgery and give a urine sample, a breath sample, and these would be screened for the volatiles.
Nanotechnology, making small stuff do big things. Pretty simple definition. Our institute at Rice has a rather small vision to solve the world's most pressing problems through applications of nanotechnology. So obviously I'm a technical optimist.